Hi everyone. In today's video, we will see how we can migrate a WordPress website from one server to another. So today we will migrate this website. So this is a news website and you can see this website is in server that is dev.ourdemosite.pantheon.io, and we will transfer this website to this one, that is dev/lancer code migrate site.pantheon.io. So here you can see this is the default theme and this is blog website that we have in this server. So today we will see how we can migrate this website from one server to another server. So let us move to the screen to do this. So here we are in this website. So this is a daily news blog website. So we will migrate this website. So let's go to the dashboard, and this is the dashboard that we are having right now. So to migrate this website, we will install a plugin which would make this website transfer very easy. So I will go to this link. I will share this link with you in the video description. And coming to this link, you will find there is a download source button. So download now, and you can click on download, and this file will be downloaded, and the file name is all-in-one WP migration. After the file is downloaded, you can see this is a zip file like this. So we will upload this plugin in our dashboard. So let's go to our dashboard and then go to plugins, and after coming to plugins, click on add new, and then click on upload plugin and choose the file. So we will choose the file all-in-one WP migration from our desktop that we have downloaded, and then we will click install now and then activate the plugin. Now after the plugin is activated, here you can see there is a written update now. So we will not update this plugin, just go to export. Here in this dashboard you will see there is an option export. So click on export, and then here you can see there is an option export to. So we will export to file. You can export it to Google Drive, you can export it to some other platform like this Dropbox, but we will export in our PC the file. So click on this file, and then it will generate all the files from our website and will create a file. So we have to wait for some time for it to compress. Now when it's done, you will see there is a blinking icon like this, download your website. So click on this one to download your website. So if you click on this one, then you can see your file is now downloading, and you can see your file is now downloading. All right, so let it download. Now we will go to our this website that we have installed, new server where we have installed WordPress. Now go to dashboard, and from here we will also go to plugin and install the plugin. So we will click on add new, and we will upload the plugin, and then we will choose the file, and then we will choose our plugin and click on open. Now you can see this is already downloaded. Now click on install and then activate this plugin, and then we will now go to import. Last time we did export, now we will do import. Now click on import, and then you can see there is an option import from. Now click on import from and click on file, and you can see this is the file that we have downloaded. Okay, that we have exported. This is the file. It would be like .wp-res file extension. So what you need to do, just select this file and click on open, and you can see your file is now importing, and now it will take some time to import our website. And you can see our import process will overwrite your website including the database. So we will keep on proceed, and you can see that it is written your data has been imported successfully. Now close this one, and now go and visit the site. So click on this one and visit our site, and it will take some time to generate all the images and everything, but you can see the layout of our website is now generating. Okay, so it will take some time, just to give it some time. It's still loading all the images and everything, and now you can see our website has been migrated to this one, Lancer code migrate site. Okay, you can see everything has been migrated. You can see all the pages has been migrated. If you go to the pages, these pages are also migrated, and you can see we have the website here. That is the previous one we are having here. All right, so in this way you can migrate your website very easily. Hope you all enjoy the video. To see more videos like this, do subscribe the channel and be with the channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.